I would like to introduce you today to an experiment that I would love for you to do, and you can do it with what you probably already have in your own home. It only takes a few minutes to get it set up and a couple of days to see results. So, my name is Vicki Manitou Okas, and let me show you what I'm talking about. Today is July 31st, and I did an experiment. I started an experiment 3 days ago, and what I did was I took some seeds out of my cupboard. So these are actually viable seeds that you probably have in your cupboard. I counted out 100 just regular popcorn seeds. Okay, not microwave popcorn, just regular bagged popcorn from the grocery store, and regular bagged pinto beans from the grocery store, and I put them on cloth, just an old rag, in a tray, and I got the cloth wet. Okay, so I counted out 100 of each to do this experiment. And this is a farmer's experiment to check the viability of the seed. So while these seeds can be used for sprouting, it takes a slightly different process to make them edible, because they can pick up bacteria doing what I did. Let's take a look at the results. Okay, there's the tray. The cloth is still damp. And look at that. That is the popcorn, just regular popcorn from the grocery store. And most of those have sprouted. And those sprouts are actually edible. If you use the process to keep the bacteria out of it, so that they have safe edible sprouts. Okay. The other thing that you can do is plant that, and then the growing sprouts are also edible. So just grocery store popcorn, and look at that. It's growing. You don't need special equipment and special seeds or expenses to grow things. Let's take a look at the beans. That's just regular pinto beans from the grocery store, and look at all of those sprouts. Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? And that is in 3 days. Okay, yeah. Bean sprouts are edible if you do it in a sanitary way, and you can grow microgreens from the bean sprouts as well, that are perfect for stir fry and salads. So that is the next step. So the next experiment is going to be to plant the popcorn and the beans in some soil to get some bean sprouts and corn sprouts for salads and stir fries. So give it a try. See what you can come up with. 2 to 3 days on the counter in a damp cloth, and see what happens. So it is really that easy to grow food. A little bit of soil, a little bit of moisture, and a few seeds. So come and join us at Delectable Tiny Gardens. We're going to start the Container Garden Challenge on August 8th, and I would love to have you come and join us for the challenge. So grow one tiny garden in a tiny bit of space and a tiny bit of time, and you can grow your own food. So come and join us, and we will talk to you next time. So like, subscribe, and we'll see you over at Delectable Tiny Gardens.